Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change and restore the default system font on Windows. Windows 11 typically uses Segoe UI variable as its standard system font. To begin, open your settings, go to Personalization, and then select Fonts. Here, you can browse all your installed fonts. It is crucial to find and accurately note the full name of the font you wish to use, as this will be essential for the next steps. Make sure the name is precise, including any spaces or capitalization. Now, let's create a custom registry file. Open Notepad and paste the provided registry code into the document. This code is designed to tell your system which font to use. The most important step here is to replace the placeholder font name with the exact full name of the font you selected earlier. Once edited, save this file. When saving, ensure you choose all files as the type and add the reg extension to the file name, such as my new font. Reg. This makes it a registry modification file. With your custom registry file created, it is time to apply your new font. Locate the reg file you just saved and double-click it. You will likely see a user account control prompt. Click Yes to proceed. Then, the registry editor will ask for confirmation to merge the changes. Click Yes again, followed by OK. For these changes to take full effect across your entire system, you must restart your computer. After rebooting, your Windows 11 system will display your chosen new font. Should you wish to revert to the original Windows 11 font, restoring the default is straightforward. You can create another reg file with specific code designed to set Segoe UI variable back as the system font. Alternatively, navigate to the control panel, then Appearance and Personalization, and finally Fonts. There, you will find an option to restore default font settings. After either method, it is crucial to restart your computer once more to ensure the default font is fully reinstated across your system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.